Construction Coach here. Today I'm going to show you how I DIY my siding install. I will be installing custom color 8-inch LP Smart Side around the lower perimeter of my cabin build. If interested, there is additional videos in the Cabin in the Woods playlist covering such topics as framing, soffit and fascia, house wrap, doors and windows. The cabin build is my biggest DIY ever. Here's a look at what inspired the black and blue color scheme for the exterior. This is the national bird of British Columbia, Steller's jay. Such vibrant colors. Let's get started. I'm pre-painting all four sides of these 2x8 and 2x10s. I will use them as a border at the base of the wall. At the front and back of the cabin, I will be attaching decks to the 2x10s. You can just use siding, but I like this detail. I'm using hot dipped galvanized 2-inch by 0.113 ring shank strip nails and these super handy gecko grips to space and hold pieces of siding up. These are the only way you can side alone. I had to fake that window on the left. On the inside, that is where the stair landing is. I will fabricate a fake window to finish and match the others. Using 3-inch screws, I'm installing the 2x10 flush with the bottom corner. I will level the 2x10 by using the concrete as a reference. The walls were leveled out during the pour and everything is based off that. Window heights and that perimeter roof were all based off the foundation's elevation. Time to install a drip flashing on top of the 2x10. In the old days, we would cut, flush, and nail on. Water could leak past the corner. So these days, installers bend a 1-inch dam to stop water from penetrating the wall. You need tin snips, cut 1 inch of the drip, then a small 45-degree on the corner, and then bend at the 1-inch line straight up. When lapping flashing, I will lap 4 to 6 inches and use sealant at each joint. Then I will nail off at about a 24-inch on center with a roofing nail. Tape top of flashing to paper, nail on 1-inch by 3/8 plywood strip, 1 inch up, and start the siding. I will use 3/8 spacers to keep the siding up. That is a manufacturer's recommendation. At every joint, I will use a metal backing piece, so if water penetrates the joint, it won't get behind the siding. I keep a 1/8 to 3/16 gap between all joints and corners to allow for expansion. I'm keeping my rows of siding level by measuring down from that upper soffit. When I get to the top, the siding will be perfectly parallel to the soffit. If using my video for reference on your DIY, be sure to follow all recommendations from the manufacturer. There are slight differences between installation methods throughout different brands of material. Now the easy part. Let's just sit back and watch the coach hustle hard.